Hi, this is Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. As I mentioned, we started doing renovations since last September. Today, I'd like to give you guys an update. But first, because my building is a co-op building and because the coronavirus, the building no longer allowed contractors on site, but fortunately, most of our substantial completion items are done. You just have some items on the punch list that need to be finished. The contractors are coming back once everything is cleared. So let the tour start. As I mentioned in my previous video, this apartment was a 2-bedroom and a 2.5 bathroom. It had one master ensuite on both sides. It was a giant living room in the middle. So we decided to torn down one side of the master bedroom and build in 2 rooms. One room for kids, one room for guests. So this is our current living room. It's still really good size. And this is our kitchen. The only thing we still need to do for this kitchen is replace backsplash and replace the microwave. Yeah, we don't do much this time for our kitchen. And moving on, this is our half bathroom. I think I can find old pictures and insert it in this video. It was look so different. And we like this kind of modern and Zen style. So it's actually made it look so much bigger. Anyway, so this is the master ensuite we kept, and this will be Martin the room for Martin and I. And yeah, all this tile, they are the backsplash for our kitchen. But right now we just use the weight to even out the floor, because the floor was not really even after I put it in. Anyway, so it is still a pretty good size. We can put our king size bed here. And on this side will be a built-in walk-in closet. We're still waiting for them to come in. And this was the closet in one of the video I show you guys. And right now it is the built-in vanity for me. So excited. And we still have a little closet here. It is pretty good size, but I think mostly just for storing like clothes rather than a walk-in closet. Display the clothes. Anyway. So, I hope you check out my other video to show you guys the old bathroom, how it look like. Right now, we redesign it into this kind of really Zen and simple style. Okay, so this is the Japanese toilet Martin was so excited about. It's spray your butt, which I'm still a little bit scared to use. And that's the vanity. And we're still missing the countertop for the vanity, and there's a sink on top too, and the medicine cabinet, and all the markers will be the wall planter. And it's the rain shower. We picked a really deep bathtub because both of us love to take in bath, and the towel warmer in both bathroom. Because New York is really humid in the summer, which I feel like this is maybe a good way for the moldy towels. Anyway, moving on. While I'm moving, like as you can see, this apartment looks so much brighter now. I believe it's all because, yes, because the lighting and most important because the floor. We picked a really light color floor. I think all the credits goes to me. Anyway, so this is the kids' room. Right now, the Hendrix room. All his toys, actually. a tenth of his toys. Because the coronavirus, we decided to moving our stuff back from the storage early, which is tomorrow, so Hendrik can reunite it all with all his toys. So this section will be a built-in bookshelf, which also will come in later. And this is the guest room right now. Like, it looks so messy with all the stuff here because me and Martin will live here, and we have nowhere to put our clothes or stuff. So this is the best we can do. And moving on, yeah, more stuff, more shoes here. But this will be a built-in shelves and the laundry sections, like a laundry basket and a top for me to fold laundry, and a rack here for hanging some clothes. And this is our laundry room slash storage room. They haven't set up the rack yet, but and here it's most for the contractor to finish the rest of the job. And this is our wash and dryer. Yeah, they also need to move it to more to the back, so there's more like shelving here. Anyway, we are pretty excited for this. And this is another bathroom. Yeah, we love this vanity. It's a custom vanity with supposed no-set countertop, but they still need to lower the medicine cabinet and also the lights on top, so they look like in like one unit together. And that's our toilet, and this is the shower. Yeah. One thing about the shower, the wall of the shower, we actually picked a giant. We picked 3 pieces of a giant, like the piece, but because they couldn't put it in, they have to cut it. And anyway, so it looks kind of weird. Maybe we'll redo it in the end. Sorry, not in the end, down the road. We really want to get over this renovation first. So anyway, that's pretty much it. In general, it is for our experience is pretty it's kind of like a painful experience for all this like 6 months, but we are really glad we did it, because right now the apartment's really the apartment we like, in the style we really like. So hope you like this video, and if you have any question about the renovations in New York City, please leave them in the comments below. I'll try to answer them. Thank you. Bye.